I am thinking of unpacking from the vacation we just came from. Me, mom, little sister. Similar to like last year, October, when we were into Vakansiedorp. What? Vakansiedorp. Yeah, around Bomalimpompo, Loskop Dam. There, this is the main area. We just arrived. I just arrived. Yeah, we're driving in here. That was the main area. I just swapped. Anyway, this is the place. Pretty much just taking content of everything I was seeing.
What's in the doll face? All these lashes.
Yeah, I think seeing monkeys, yeah. Seeing a bunch of nature animals, gurus, yeah. I think we were walking to the pool, which was like for my 10 minutes away from that the lodging area. Yeah, we're crossing a bridge here, swamp, little thing. Everything is pretty like nature vibes, yeah.
I ain't part of it, bro. And then I gone already, guru la. Very interested in you. Very. Come on, guru. 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 Get your mother pitching in the body. Guru.
Still walking. Just sightseeing nature, looking at nature. Basically a hike to the pool. This is a swamp area. Well, not swamp, man. River and obviously the bridge, bathroom. And we're at the pool. Infinity pool kind of vibe. Almost in nature. Nature vibes still. This is day 1, by the way. The day of arrival. And then we had to go borrow fire and share fire because we weren't prepared for the level of